Yo, what's up, Big Muscle Gains Nation? Big Muscle Gains back with another video, man. We have a nice unboxing of, if you already read the title, it's that PS5, man. That PlayStation DualSense Edge controller. Whew. That's it right there. Hey, got a little heft to it, man. Look at that. Let's go ahead and just take a look at the packaging. The product packaging looks nice. Yes, it does. You can also see the black D-pad. Well, this pad right here is now black. Also has the PlayStation logos. Look at that, man. Yeah, it look good, man. It look good. So let's go ahead and get right on into it. All right, so I pre-ordered this way back in October. The same day they announced it, I pre-ordered it. I think it was like, what, October 25th or something like that? Boom, set that off to the side. What we have here, oh, it opens like that. Look at that. Nice and sexy, yes. If product packaging was sexy, this would be it. Toss that off to the side. Nice, you know, the cloth is clothing. Booyah. Nice hard shell case. Got the hole right there. Got the hole right here for the charger. Let's go ahead and, man, let's take a look at the details of that right there. How nice. PlayStation. Got the little feet at the back. Kind of creative. So they have the feet right here, but it's also made out of the PlayStation buttons. Go ahead and open that thing up. Oh yeah, looks nice, man. Looks nice. Okay, what's right here? The charging cable, braided. Nice braided, get what I'm saying? Look at that, look at that. Looking good, okay. Also has, oh, this is kind of cool. You get what I'm saying? Basically, you just lock it back in there, put it in there just like that. Stuff it back, put it in there just like that, and we're back and we're good to go. Okay. So, how does it feel in hand? Feels cool. Let's see something. It's something. Feels a little bit different. Just a little bit. Oh, it's a little wider. It's a little wider right here. That's what it is. It's a little wider right there. Hands feel a little bit more far apart. Yep, that's what it is. This right here. Let's see if we can see that. Probably can't see it, but you most definitely feel the extra width right here. How the button's tacking. All right, so at the back, well, matter of fact, let's go in. So we finally have the triggers for the back, right? See that right there, got the R. It says RB for right back, well, for right button, left button. Let's go ahead and take one of these little triggers, man. Like, I always wanted to have a scuff, but I heard some bad things about scuff when it came to their quality control. And yeah. This is the left button. I don't know how to quite do it. Oh, okay, like that. And one good thing about it is, right? Heard that? They're also metal, man. They're also metal, adding to the nice quality of it. So it goes like on a little cat corner. Oh yeah, I'm ready now, man. Hey, little kids, I'm gonna mess y'all up, okay? It's it. Oh yeah, okay, anyways. Let's get back into it. Also have, you know, different type of joysticks. Got 4 of those. If you didn't like the concave, I like the concave. Get what I'm saying? If you want the old school PS1 type, here they go. This is also, from my understanding, you put the cable in here as it says right there. You snap it, you lock it in. People online have been complaining about what if, you know, lock it in just like that. Oh, I gotta figure this part out. But they were complaining like, what if you know, what if one of the kids or the dog, you know, runs the PlayStation over? Hey, kick him in the face. Anyways, see that right there? That's a hole. We just gonna take that out. See what I'm saying? The cable goes through there and you're able to charge your controller straight in the case. All protected. Case, you know, is nice. Really happy to see that good quality on that case and everything like that. So, man, we're gonna take it through, see how it feels. Let's go ahead and bring the OG controller. Now, I had two of these. I still got the other one, but I dropped the controller on accident. One of the triggers ended up messing up. Oh yeah, so back to the function keys down here, man. I almost forgot, you guys, almost forgot. So technically you should be able to pop this centerpiece off. I don't know where's the, release. So we just gonna, boom, that pops off just like that. These are supposed to be hot swappable, right? So as you see here, there's a lever. We just gonna unlock that and it pops out just like that. Nice little, what looks to be like a little USB-C action or USB action. We drag it back, we pop it back in. We lock it back in. We put this back on top. Make sure that seats like it's supposed to. It seats forward down, so like that. And we good to go, man. This has been an unboxing of the Sony PlayStation PS5 DualSense Edge controller. A lot of names. We're not retiring this one. Actually, oh no. Well, I don't know if you can see, like, it's two different color whites. I know I've been playing with this one. I don't know if it's faded or dirty or whatever like that, but I do like the monochrome look. I was wishing that they made a true red, not that pink they got out, but a nice true red and black controller. I would have even loved, since it's like a pro controller, you know, their Edge controller, I would have loved a gold controller. Just to, you know, make sure it look a whole lot more different and know that I paid gold level price. Anyways, man, thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. BigMuscleGains.com for all you guys fitness apparel. You know what I'm saying? If you want to make them gains, you got to make them in Big Muscle Gains apparel, man. Thank you for watching the video. Peace.